So hello everyone, welcome to Electronica India 2025, and today we are at the ViTroX booth where we will be speaking with Mr SEOW Zi Yang, Director of Business Development and Technical. Welcome to Electronics Media, Mr. Yang. So before starting with the questions, I would like you to kindly tell our audience about the company, its product line and Indian presence.
Okay. First of all, thanks for having me. My pleasure to attend this interview. ViTrox. ViTrox is a Malaysian company. We established in year 2000s. We have a full solutions of inspections from the front end semiconductors to the back end to the entire SMT, front and back. So basically, what you need on the inspections, we have that. To be more specific, we have wafer inspections, tray handler, die sortings, wire bond inspections, lead frame, substrate inspections. Those are on the semicon, tray to tray, tray to rail, SPI, AOI, X-rays, beam, final inspections. We all have it.
Okay, great. So could you share your vision for how AI-driven optical and X-ray solutions will redefine the future of SMT and semiconductor manufacturing?
Okay. When people talk about AI, it's a very big scope. Different people have different perceptions on how AI actually works and contributes. AI is not to replace human. AI is to help. So if I'm not sure about future, but right now it is not about completely replacing a human. So that first things is where we want to do it correctly. We are helping. We are bringing out the AIs to help humans to make better justifications, make better decisions, to reduce time they needed. So all these are what we see it can help on the manufacturing side.
Okay, great. So from a business development perspective, what opportunities do these AI-driven solutions unlock for manufacturers?
When we start to help people in reducing their time, their decision makings, that's where people can do more valuable things. Directly means that the return of investments, the reductions of errors, and also the investments on the expertise can be reduced. There are direct relations and indirect relations. Direct is about cost, reduce of hiring, being able to not hire so much because people can do more right now. Indirect means that the chances of making errors is much lesser right now. The chances of improving the production yields is very high right now. Means that both perspective, not just saving, but improving the output, increasing the revenue. So this is how it can help the entire manufacturing.
Okay, so now I'm moving towards my last question.
Yes.
So where do you see the biggest potential for AI in inspection, predictive defect detection, real-time analytics, or beyond?
The potential is across the board. ViTrox is one of the one of the inspections company in the market that we introduce AI very early stage. So we start investments on the AI more than 10 years ago. So we believe in every aspect can be improved using AI. That's why we have smart programming. We have smart auto buy off, the auto AI fine tuning, real-time analysis, predictive, linkage of multi-products solutions by using the AI for one view solution. So we have incorporated and launched the AI solutions where some of the products up to 80% of the entire value chains of the usage or use model already incorporated to AI. So which is quite exciting to us.
Thank you, Mr. Yang. It's great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.